to the pledge. My name is Shania. Please join me. And I'm going to flag a salute. Attention, salute, pledge. My name is Al. Please join me in the national. My name is Mom. Please join us. Let's go free. Ready? Begin.
I am Garfield Elementary Star. I will have high expectations and reach my goals through perseverance. I will use self-control throughout my life. I will be respectful and responsible so that I can succeed and have fun while I learn.
My name is Cadence P. Jonas and the goal motto. Ready? Begin.
I will have respect for myself and my school. I will be proud.
He be seated. My name is Elsa. I'll tell you about this today. Over the weekend. Mrs. Wells. She's going to be 10. About the rap.
Come on, everybody, put your hands up high. We're gonna sing a birthday rap. You might sing loud, you might sing long. We're gonna sing a birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
We have lots of announcements today, boys and girls, but before we begin, good morning, Garfield Rock Stars!
Good morning, Miss Mom!
I saw a lot of children come in their favorite college jerseys for places they want to go to college at when you grow up and you graduate high school. I saw lots of people dressing like what they want to be when they grow up. I saw some superheroes. I saw a ninja. I saw a hunter, an army man, a princess. So we saw a variety of things that you guys came in this morning. And how many of you remember that there was a coloring contest this week? Very good. And a door decorating contest. A lot of the teachers decorated their doors with the help of their students for Read Across America Week. Well, Ms. Thomason's going to come up and she's going to announce the winners for the door decorating contest and for the coloring contest. So come on down.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the door decorating contest, and all of the staff got to vote on their favorite door, and the winner is Mrs. James. Okay, I'm going to start with my K through 2 winners. I picked a first, second, and third place for K through 2. And they each get their very own Dr. Seuss book to take home with them for their personal library. Let's start with third place for K through 2 is Devin Barnes in Mrs. Ellis's class. Second place is from Mrs. Temez's class, and it's Miss Charlie. And first place in K through 2 is Miss Brenna Oliver in Miss Williamson's class. They're all sticking to me this morning. Maybe they're eating a really good breakfast. Okay, in grades 3 through 5, third place is in Mrs. Appleman's class, and it's Maria. Second place is in Mrs. Feaster's class, and it is Dylan. And probably one of my favorite Dr. Seuss books, Safe to Last. First place for 3 through 5 is in Mrs. French's class, Jacob. Let me just say it was really hard because you guys did a really good job with the coloring contest. So thank you guys. I had tons of papers to go through, so it's wonderful.
Thank you. Let's give the winners a great big round of applause. Way to go. Way to work hard. Next up is our questions, our trivia questions for Indian in the Cupboard. And we're going to answer questions over Chapter 6. The chief is dead. Long live the chief. First question is, what 3 vegetables are referred to as the 3 sisters in the story? Anybody? Did we not read last night? No. Anybody tell me that? What 3 vegetables are referred to as the 3 sisters? Oh, Charlie can. I can always rely on Charlie.
Grain, corn, and squash.
Good job, Charlie. Let's give her a round of applause. What did Omri buy during his lunch break? He had a lunch break. What did he buy?
He bought a plastic figure.
Yes, he did. He bought an Indian chief with bows and arrows. Good job. And one more question. What happened to the old Indian chief when Omri ignored the cabinet to look at him? What happened? He didn't look at him, and something kind of sad happened in the story. What was it? Do you remember for sure? You can guess.
Die.
Yes, he died. That was kind of a sad part of the story, wasn't it? So there's lots of interesting things happening in the story. So let's keep reading, because on Monday, I'm going to ask questions over chapter 7. So be sure to be reading that this weekend. Now, what we've all been waiting for, it is time to announce the February Students of the Month. And of course, we will begin with kindergarten in Mrs. Austin's class. We've got Lily Snodgrass and Mona Buffalo Head. Come on down, girls. Good job. And in Miss Ellis's class, Miss Punky Cruz and Estimita Haven. Is Estimita? Is she here? There she is. All right, moving on up to first grade, Miss Dunn's class. We've got Mara Everhart, and she is not here, and Nehemiah Townley. Okay, next up in Mrs. Williams' class, we've got Samuel Miller and Zachary Rodriguez. Next up, we're moving on to second grade now in Mrs. Dyer's class, Andrea Davis and Bryson Garcia. Okay, next up, Mrs. Temez's class, Trayton Cotman and Lena Moore. Moving on to third grade, in Mrs. Beester's class, we have Jade Spears and Miss Maya Thornton. Okay, and now Miss Buller's third grade class, Leah Turner and Chance Blackwell Webster. Way to go, Chance. Okay, moving on, fourth grade. In Miss French's class, we have Peyton Davison and Darnell Jean. Okay, Miss Huddleston's fourth grade class, we've got Braylon Bird and Danny Knox. In fifth grade, we have, in Mrs. Baldwin's class, Cassie Watkins and Tristan Cotman. And finally, in Mrs. Graves' fifth grade class, we have Landon Barnett and Marcelis Amador. And these are Garfield's February Students of the Month. So let's give him a great big round of applause. Good job, boys and girls. And don't forget to meet me in the cafeteria right after Rise and Shine so you can have donuts with the principal this morning, okay? Good job, boys and girls. Thank you. Okay, all that was very exciting, but let's count down to quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you, because now we're going to turn it back over to Mrs. Austin because her kindergartners have a wonderful showcase for us.
So we have been working on consonant digraphs in our classroom, and we are going to sing a digraph song.
My name is Hayden. Please watch your teacher for Miss Paul. And have a great day.